Hello guys, welcome back at Max Programming, and today we are going to learn how to add links to our web page. And this is going to be a very short tutorial that how you can add some links to your web page, because it's a web page, so you need some links. So now we are going to add some links over to our web page. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is I'll just explain you what is this. I have added a question mark and it makes my comment bluish. So I just installed extension which is Better Comments. Okay, with Better Comments you can add some annotations to your comments like question mark, exclamatory mark, star. You can say to do, and you can say what else. Yes, this 2/2, this is not important like this. Okay, I'm adding question mark because this is a question how to add links to our web page. Now this is, I think, a big question. Now there is a very small tag to add links, which is a tag. Now this a snippet will create a href, and this is the tag. Okay, as you can see over here, href. Now here, if I type anything, nothing will happen. I have to type the whole address of the, if we say, of the thing, of the way, okay, where we want to go. If I want to go to google.com, so I'll say www.google.com. okay, so that's the address actually, and when I press tab, it gives me like this. I'll say Google home page. As you can see over here, we have it. Okay, this is like a link. Okay, if I hover over it, it gives me pointer, and when I click on it, wait a moment, cannot get www.google.com. Yeah, I have to specify the whole address, I think. So if I say new tab and if I say what else, okay, if I say HTML, okay, so this w3schools.com/html, I will type in that address and it will head over to that. Okay, so I'll say https://www.w3schools.com/html. okay, slash, okay, like this. So this is the address. I'll say it's a Google home page. I'll say HTML tutorials page. Okay, so let's just jump over to our links now. This will get me to that web page where you can learn HTML free, which is HTML5 tutorial right now. Okay, HTML style and markup language. So it's the same web page, as you can see over here. I have got this open. So it's the magic of the a tag, href. Okay, so I think instead of this w3schools.com/html, I should say google.com. So I think it should work. Yep, it's working. So like this you can get to that google.com. okay, so inside this, inside these a opening and closing tags, you can specify anything. Google home page, so that becomes the text from which you can get to that page. Okay, from which whenever you click on that link, you get to that web page. Google home page, whenever I click on it, I get to the www.google.com. okay, this is the a tag. Now you can say many things. Okay, Now if this href is an important attribute, remember that. Okay, so href which specifies the path. Okay, now if you don't want to say any path, okay, if you want to keep it blank, this a link to be blank, you can specify hash on the href attribute. So this gives, this hash points out to a only. So whenever I click on it, the same web page will open. Okay, this one that we are using, this will only open because we are pointing towards the a attribute, a tag, sorry. So you can specify the path also, and if I say https colon slash slash wait a minute, okay, www.google.com. okay, so what's this? Okay, so this is the Google homepage, and you can say also target. So target is an attribute. Now you can say specify where to display the linked URL. Okay, this is the definition over here. It is name of or keyword for a browsing context, a tab, window, or analytic iframe. You'll learn that iframes and afterwards. So target, I can say underscore blank. Now what it will do is when we hover over it, we get the definition. Now when you click on it, it will open up the new tab for you. Okay, so if I close this one, I close this one, what we did before is whenever we tried to click on it, it just got this on this active tab only. If you want in a new tab, we say target underscore blank. Okay, so not on this tab, create it on a new tab. Okay, similarly you can use this a tag for many purposes. If the a element has an href attribute, then it represents a hyperlink, okay, a hypertext anchor labeled by its contents. So this a tag literally means anchor tag. Okay, it's a short form of anchor, which is a. So that's it. You can also link images, but I don't have any images in my folder right now, so I'm not gonna teach you right now the images, but in the next video I'm going to teach you how to display the images on the web page. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.